Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. I transferred files from multiple devices to multiple devices while creating all of those tutorials, and my favorite app that always works is called Send Anywhere. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download this app from this developer. When it's ready, launch it on both smartphones. Then to set it up, you need to click on the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then click on confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and then allow all in the second one. After doing all of that, you can pick whatever you want to in all the other apps. Now to continue, hit send at the bottom left corner of Realme and receive right next to send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Realme, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you always need to tap on allow a few more times to access them. After selecting all of your files, to continue, hit send next to selected at the bottom of Realme device. If you decided to transfer any app, you need to hit OK in white pop-up to go on. Then hit got it in here's some tip 1 and finally decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Samsung's camera at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!